Welcome to Texas. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in to another great episode. As you can see here, we got a new water pump and a thermostat because this one's super old, so this may be part of the cooling issue. So we're going to go ahead and change this sucker out now. Hopefully these old ass hoses won't give me a beat down, but you know how that always goes. We already drained the fluid, so we'll start taking this bad boy apart. Keep watching. Alright, you see there I got the old one out, and here's the new one. So we got some new gaskets here, and also got a 180-degree thermostat just in case the other one's gunked up. So yeah, we'll go ahead and put this on now. We got the gaskets here. I'm going to add just a touch of RTV on here, which is not something you have to do, but just to hold my gaskets in place so they don't move around. I don't really think you have to have much. Really just a little bit to make it tacky. I kind of like to put it on this part versus the engine, because if you got to pull this back off, it's going to stick more to this and not the engine, and it'll make the engine cleaner, easier to clean off when it comes time to clean it. So yeah, I'm just gonna place them bad boys just like that. going to go ahead and put some more anti-seize on these bolts. Just because these are notorious for corroding. If you work on your stuff quite a bit, anti-seize is definitely your best friend. Alright, so let's see if I can I'm not cranking them all the way down, I'm just kind of getting it going there. Alright, so there we have it on the install. So now the test will be sitting in traffic, super high heat, and see how she runs now. See if it stays at 210 or if it's lower. Still didn't change the thermostat yet, so we still got to do that. But we'll try this out and see what happens first. You can see there when I rev it up that it sucks the water down. Before it wouldn't do that. You'd rev it and you would never see any increase. So it's like the pump was not working that well or something. So we'll give her a test drive, see what happens. Well, unfortunately, she's still getting pretty warm because this is not it's not even that hot because we got cloudy skies. So the water pump definitely didn't fix the getting too hot issue. Unless this temperature gauge in here is just some erroneous reading, because that probe is pretty close to the header, so it's hard to say. I'm going to change the thermostat probably tonight, which you won't see that on this video, because I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. But it definitely looks like we're going to have to get a bigger radiator. The one that I actually want to get is like a 3, it has 3 sections, and it's it's like $200 something, so yeah, I'm gonna have to save up for that one. So anyway, that'll probably do it for the end of this video. Make sure and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time, and make sure and hit the bell icon if you want alerts for when I upload a new video, because if not, it will not tell you anymore. So thanks for watching if you made it this far, and as always, for a Monday, try to keep it simple, try to keep it sweet. Until next time. Yep, 1 minute it's 100 degrees. Next minute it's a monsoon. Wind is blowing pretty good. It does sound peaceful though, listening to the rain. Last time this happened, I had my trash can out there like that, and that sucker floated off and went way down there somewhere, and I never got it back again. I remember the time I was in oh yeah, see? Here's what I'm talking about. See the trash can? See it coming? Yep. And before you know it, that sucker will be at the end of the street, and they'll be like, oh, where did my damn trash can go? There's a prime example. Let me get a little closer. There she goes. Yep. Floating on down the river, floating on down the bayou. Yep, 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 yep. Come on down and go. You can look at that sidewalk. It's a damn creek bed. Creek bed. Yep. Oh man, done been to my damn flag, man. Can't be doing that, man. Ugh. Ugh. Feels good though. But yeah, if y'all, oh man, it got dirty. Clean it off there. Y'all have never experienced true thunderstorm rain. This is what it looks like. And this is not even that. I mean, it'll be so extreme. Oh, yeah, here comes the trash can. See it? She's a moving on down the country. That's what I was saying. We done made that mistake once. Everybody at the end of the block will have 50 trash cans. Anyway, back to the garage life. I'd hate to be doing this outside.